Hello and welcome to today's session. Today we are going to learn about how to go about emergency maintenance process. When there's a problem that needs to be fixed immediately, thus an emergency situation, you fix it using the malfunction report. Thus you quickly fix the equipment. After fixing the equipment, then you come to SAP and then report what caused the issue and what was done to fix the issue. So we do this using the malfunction, the report malfunction. So I double click report malfunction. Then I choose the equipment which was faulty. There are several ways to search for equipment. In this case, I'm typing the equipment description and then the system automatically suggests a couple of equipment that match my description. So I'm choosing cooling water circulation pump. Then I need to briefly describe the fault. So I'll say leaking cooling water circulation pump. Then I'll state the effects of the fault, production restricted. You can choose, you can change the date and time if you want to. But in this case, I'm okay. You can also attach a document, maybe a file, a picture of the incident or whatever you want to attach to your malfunction report. When you are done, then you save it. You get a notification number and then another number which will be used in processing this document. So we can release it. So after release, you get your other number and then the notification number as well. So this is what will be used in further processing this document. So this is how we report an emergency in plant maintenance. Thank you.